Jenny?
This is what it feels like driving in the clouds. Of course, lights on and very attentive, but it's fresh, it's beautiful. Check it out.
¿Y cuánto duran así en sal?
Ah, mucho tiempo.
¿Cuánto es mucho tiempo?
Como será un año.
¡Oh! ¡Wow! Nunca había visto pescado en sal.
¿No había visto el pescado con sal?
¿No?
The next day.
Alright guys, so we've stayed at this beautiful cabin. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, kitchen, living room, dining room, fireplace. Look at these amazing views. Wow. So if you ever visit this gorgeous town, what I loved the most about it was the fresh market. Definitely everything you're gonna cook and eat here is fresh. And if you decide to stay in this beautiful cabin, there's 8 stray dogs here that live in the mountain that don't get fed. So I've made a deal with the owner that if we promoted this place, he would make sure to take care of them. He promised, and I believe him. So if you're ever around, the nearest airport is the Oaxaca airport. It's around an hour and a half driving. And basically, nature lovers. You know, if you love nature, if you love these beautiful views and just peace like me, great vibe, good place to rest, come with your partner. They also have he also has smaller ones. That right there is 2 rooms, and then there's another one individual at the bottom that's also 1 room. But I recommend the house because you can cook, and I don't want to leave here just because of the food. It's just so amazing to have something so fresh. I'll give you a tour. Come on. So this is the beautiful cabin, and we had a wonderful 3-night stay. Fire pit. Pedro's making some breakfast over there. Everything is messy now, but it's really, really nice to wake up to this beautiful view and just peace and birds. You have a jacuzzi on this side. So I'm like, okay, I'll name the cabins Eden Cabins if you take care of the street dogs. He says, you got a deal. So you let me know if you come here, if the dogs look in better condition, because right now, poor babies, they're, not all of them, but the females look pretty thin. And, you know, that's just not fair. They didn't ask to be here, so we gotta do what we can for them. Well, it's time to cook. So I'm gonna make some pumpkin flowers, which I always try to get things that are not necessarily normal in, you know, wherever it is that we live. So this is gonna be our main ingredient for today. We've already Made sure that they're nice and clean while they're in here. Alrighty, so we are gonna be chopping some onions, okay? And once we're done chopping onions, we'll add the little cheese inside. It's not a cheese that melts, so it's gonna be a little different. I've never had tacos made out of this. And this knife is all right. It's all right. It's all right. So the energy here is actually, you know, I have to say it's a little. I did have trouble sleeping the first night. I do feel there's a lot of souls around that are needing liberation, that are needing help. And when that's the case, usually you do feel the place a little heavy. I slept well after the second night, but the first night was just, oh my God. Plus it's very, very cold. So even though you get the, you know, you get enough of the covers and everything, it's still cold. And the fireplace didn't do much. So I like this little town for anybody that just wants to, you know, come and disconnect, be in nature. Everybody's super friendly. I think everywhere in Mexico, everybody's very friendly. It's not a touristy location. I haven't seen any tourists other than me. And we will be heading out towards a warmer area soon. Okay. I'm following our chef's instructions, and this is not how I would normally do it, honestly, but we'll see how they come out. I love getting places that you could just have a good kitchen in, no matter how big it is, but you know, eating at home, when you get used to it and you eat super healthy, it becomes a must. Look at these strawberries. Delicious. Everything is local. And in case you didn't know, in every travel, there is live cameras for our subscribers and members. And we do photo shoots, we do kitchen shows, we do live vlogs. This isn't the cheese that we would have picked for this, but it's what I have, and I don't like buying a bunch of food and then at the end of the day you end up throwing it out. No good. Don't throw away food, guys. I mean, you could chop these, but nah. Let them simmer. Release all their juices. I wonder what they taste like raw. Let's try one. Tastes like pumpkin. Wow, so flavorful. Let's let it simmer for a bit. Tortilla time. So everything that we're cooking right now is organic and locally fresh. So it cannot get better than that. Okay. And we're gonna warm up some homemade tortillas as well. Not made by me. I'm also gonna make some eggs. This is our hot chocolate, which I have not been invited to try. made with real chocolate. It's delicious. Let's try it. Let's try our chocolate. There's a lot of street dogs in the area, and you know, if you have the means, whenever you're traveling and, you know, abroad, and if you have the means, do like I do. You know, buy bags of food, leave them for the locals so they can feed the dogs. Because, well, if you can, why not? You know, nobody's going to do it, so you can leave with a good, better conscience. I can't be in a place and know that I'm there and there's a hungry dog outside and I am able to feed it and not do it, you know? So you could do something. Is it gonna, oh my God, that's delicious. Oh, I've never had a chocolate so yummy. I'm taking chocolate with me. Wow. Delicious. Okay, this is ready. Oh man, I don't think I've ever had chocolate this fresh. Really chocolatey. Which are raw sea salt. And here are our pumpkin flour tacos. Voila! Bon appetit. It's gonna be too hot right now. I don't know how chefs do it. You know, they're like, bon appetit, and they bite and it's super hot. It's like, why would you do that? I'm not gonna do that. Interesting flavors. Really interesting flavors. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.